Namaskar. So now we talk about Regulation 5, which mentions the rule of law. So the adoption and use of AI systems in courts shall be consistent with the provisions of the Constitution and any other law for the time being in force. Of course, no AI is above the laws of our land, so they should be consistent with the provisions of the Constitution and any other law for the time being in force. And also the principles of natural justice, and shall not be used in any manner that could undermine the due process of law, right to a fair trial, equality before law, or access to justice. Now, there are enough evidences that AI may actually lower all these principles, right? So, AI impacts them negatively, which might have an impact on rule of law. Hence, this is a very, very powerful regulation, very carefully done by the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and is now the clause 2 of this regulation states the Bangalore principles of judicial conduct shall, in addition to these regulations, continue to govern the conduct of judicial officers in all matters, including those involving the use of AI. So I'll skip this particular thing in the interest of time. Now, the Bangalore principles of judicial conduct, the Wikipedia page of it mentions that there are 6 core values: independence of a judge, impartiality, integrity, propriety, equality, competence, and diligence. So we are not going to go into the details of this. This will take us tangentially away from what we are going to discuss here, but these things are to be kept in mind, because the Regulation 5 says that apart from adherence to the Constitution, the other laws for the time being in force, principles of natural justice, and to keep these due process, right to fair trial, equality before law, access to justice intact, the judicial officers and judges also need to take care of the Bangalore principles of judicial conduct. So I think with this we can stop this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.